Welcome to Coleg Gwent Results Day. What we've seen is that the learners have managed to maintain a really high, strong pass rate, stronger than they've ever been in previous non-COVID years. So many of our learners are going to achieve their first choice of university, which is going to be fantastic news to them today.
Our results are evidence of the learners' hard work, determination and commitment to their courses.
I studied A-levels and this year my results had an A star, an A, a B and a C.
The results I had was an A in sociology, an A star in psychology and an A star in biology.
I studied A-level, PE, psychology and law and I got A star and 2 Bs. Studied psychology, sociology, biology and then Welsh back and I got 3 As and a B.
I got an A in history, an A star in religious studies and an A star in politics.
I studied A-level biology, physics and geography and I got 2 A stars and 2 A's.
And I got 3 A stars in chemistry, maths and biology and an A in Welsh back.
We've had a notable increase in high grades from 2019 pre-pandemic. Nearly all our learners have secured their first choice places at university for September, which is fantastic. So all in all, it's been a successful year despite what could have been a very challenging time for our young people. Very, very proud of our learners and hats off really to their teachers for supporting them and doing a great job.
I recommend Coleg Gwent because it gives you loads of opportunities to study and especially the tutors are really great and they really help you out and it's great to give you the confidence to keep going and keep working hard.
My favourite thing was definitely the tutors actually. They were really helpful, especially everything with COVID this year. It was kind of chaotic but they went above and beyond to make sure we had all the resources we needed.
The staff here are amazing and they make you so comfortable and the courses are really engaging and you just love it really, it's great.
Some of our learners will be progressing to Russell Group universities, but some of our learners might want to go into employment, some of them go on to higher apprenticeships, and of course we also offer our own higher education provision.
I'm going to continue here at Coleg Gwent to progress to a HNC level.
Right now I'm going into biomedical sciences in Cardiff Uni.
I plan on going to the London School of Economics.
Off to uni, study medicine and then hopefully qualify to become a doctor.
I'm going to BT to do an apprenticeship.
I'm going to go and study fine art at Bristol UE.
You can apply for any course via our website and if you have any questions then you can contact our team of recruitment staff and they'll be happy to help with any query you have.